Hi darlings, today we are going to be making some delicious tofu tenders that are perfect for dipping, snacking or even adding to a salad. So let's start by breaking the tofu into nuggets shape. If you are feeling fancy, you can even cut them into fun shapes like stars or hearts, which are perfect for kids by the way. And now we are going to break down 3 cups of cornflakes by blending them in the food processor, or you can also crush them by hand. I like to use cornflakes because you get an incredible crispy texture and it's a gluten-free option, but you can also use breadcrumbs if you prefer. With that being said, now it's time to add some spices to this recipe. So first of all, we are going to add 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of oregano, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, also some black or white pepper, and finally we will add a generous pinch of salt. Feel free to add more spices you like, and now let's mix all the ingredients properly. Meanwhile, I wanted to remind you to subscribe to my channel, like the video and hit the notification bell so you'll never miss any of my new content. For the batter, we are going to add half cup of chickpea flour into a bowl, and then we will add half cup of room temperature water gradually. I add the water slowly as this avoids getting lumps into the mixture. Once we have everything ready, we are going to coat the tofu pieces, first with the chickpea flour batter and after with the cornflakes mixture. Now place the tofu in an oven tray, and once you have all the tenders ready, it will be time to bake them. Preheat the oven at 180 degrees Celsius and bake the tofu tenders for 20 minutes, turning them over after 10 minutes. Now it's time to enjoy them with your favorite sauce. I always love to dip in a homemade mayo, but I bet they are incredibly delicious too with some guacamole. Thanks for joining me today, and I'll see you next week.